messages transmitted at the request of the United States Department of Homeland Security. On January 5th, 5:46 p.m. the city of Sago was attacked by hostile humanoid entities. 2 days later, other states began to experience similar attacks. The origin of these humanoid entities is unknown. All persons in the North American regions are advised to take the following precautions. Stay indoors and do not draw attention to your location. Acquire a form of weapon which includes but is not limited to bladed weapons, and have plenty of entities, as some have been known to possess abilities that can only be described as magic. If you see anyone wearing unusual clothing and or in possession of a weapon, contact your local authorities. This message is for further notice.